Japan's clearing system is testing government bond collateral on blockchain, and the target is core market plumbing. The Japan AI angle here is automation inside regulated finance, not a chatbot or trading signal. JSCC, Mizuho, Nomura, and Digital Asset are working on a proof of concept for Japanese government bonds, or JGBs. JSCC matters because it operates as a central counterparty clearinghouse under Japan Exchange Group. That puts the trial close to the machinery institutions used to manage risk. This matters because collateral is used to manage exposure between institutions, so record accuracy is part of the risk control system itself. The pilot uses the Canton Network to test rights transfers and book entry updates. In easy English, that means different financial institutions are testing whether bond ownership records and collateral instructions can update across a shared system. The goal is not to invent a new bond market from scratch. It is to see whether blockchain infrastructure can support JGB collateral while fitting into existing account management structures. That is why this is more serious than a normal crypto experiment. If multiple institutions can share a trusted update path, the system may reduce duplicate reconciliation work without removing each party's responsibilities. The legal frame is the hard part. The trial is designed to keep JGBs within the Book Entry Transfer Act and the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act. That matters because institutions cannot move sovereign debt on a system that creates legal uncertainty. The Japan AI search phrase may sound broad, but the confirmed event is specific. Blockchain-based collateral management is being tested under existing Japanese securities rules. If the legal status breaks, the technology does not matter. For a sovereign bond market, that legal fit is not a side issue. It is the condition that decides whether institutions can rely on the records. The 24/7 collateral angle is the reason large firms care. Traditional settlement can involve cutoff times, reconciliation steps, and multiple intermediaries checking the same records. A shared ledger could reduce manual matching and make collateral move faster, including across borders. Faster collateral movement can reduce operational friction, but it also demands strict controls. Institutions need to know who can update records, how errors are reversed, and what happens if a participant system fails. The harder part is designing permissions, fallback procedures, and audit trails that still work when markets are open across time zones. Regulatory support changes how to read the pilot. Japan's Financial Services Agency selected the project under its Payment Innovation Project, which gives the trial a structured compliance pathway. That does not mean a commercial launch is approved. It means the participants can test whether internal rules and market practices need to change. Any timeline for completion or rollout remains a watch item unless confirmed directly by the consortium. The difference is important. Regulatory support creates a test environment, while production use would still require proof, rule changes, and participant readiness. The next Japan AI signal is not a token price. It is whether the proof of concept shows reliable rights transfers, clean book entry updates, cross-border collateral movement, and operational resilience under Japanese law. If those boxes are met, the trial could influence how other sovereign bond markets think about tokenized settlement. If they are not, the lesson may be that regulated bonds need more than faster infrastructure. That is why the result will be judged less by blockchain branding and more by whether the pilot improves collateral movement without weakening legal certainty. The most important commercial question is whether participants can prove the system handles normal operations and exceptions, because bond collateral markets cannot rely on a process that only works during a clean demo.